Hello everyone. Two friends are planning a weekend getaway to the beach. They discuss their budget, transportation, and what to pack for their trip. Let's listen to them. Hey, I'm thinking about taking a quick getaway this weekend. Any ideas?
Absolutely. Where were you thinking of going?
I'm not sure yet. I'm open to suggestions. Maybe somewhere we can relax and unwind.
How about a beach trip? We could hit up the coast and soak up some sun.
That sounds perfect, but I'm a bit worried about the budget. I don't want it to break the bank.
Don't worry, we can find some affordable options. There are plenty of budget-friendly hotels and hostels near the beach.
Great, let's start looking into flights and accommodations.
I'll take care of the flights. You can handle the accommodations.
Sounds good. We should also make a list of things to pack. Don't forget your swimsuit and sunscreen.
And don't forget your camera. We'll want to capture all the memories.
I'll make sure to pack my camera. I can't wait for this trip.
Me neither. It'll be a great way to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe as usual. Take care.